you guys doing well. Making this video because I got called out by one of the subscribers, David V, that one of my videos when I recorded the drive modes and how to drive in those drive modes, I forgot the eco mode. So for David and for you all out there, the Hellcat, I did not even know has a drive mode that's called an eco mode, and that's all honestly. So today I'm gonna record this video so that you and I can find out where the eco mode is and how to activate eco mode. I've owned this Hellcat for a year and I have not driven in the eco mode because I don't know where to find it. So let's go ahead and go find it. So let's flip this camera so we can go at it together. Let's go. So here's my the dashboard, right? So I'll press on the SRT. I think it's it. That's where all the drive modes are, right? So you can see all the drive modes in there. And at first glance, I don't really see the eco mode, but I'm in the custom mode. So let's click on the drive modes. So, all right. It looks like there's an eco mode, but it's kind of grayed out, right beside that valley mode. It's the first time I've seen that one. So you learn something new every day. So let's see, let's try auto. Oh, now you can click on it. There's the eco mode. Let's click on it, see what happens. Oh wow, check that out. This is the first time I've actually seen this mode, guys. So you and I are learning this today. Hellcat has an eco mode. As you can see, everything is power is eco. I don't know what that means. Transmission in eco, paddle shifters are off. Only the steering wheel is on, and everything looks green. Cool. Now let's click on it. Let's see. So here is the explanation. Alright, you can read it. It's it. How about eco? Why not say eco? Okay. Like I said, guys, I'm learning this as you go. See if it explains eco mode in here. Oh, there you go. You can read that. These are features of the Hellcat that I didn't know existed. So we're learning something new today here. Sorry if my camera is kind of shifting its focus because it's really sunny out here. Okay, all right. That's what it is in eco mode right now. Right? That's what it shows. Let's go ahead and drive it for a minute or so and see how that feels. Let's go. We're in eco mode and we're gonna drive it. See how that feels. I'll do my best to explain how it feels to drive it, because currently you and I, all of you viewers, is experiencing this the first time like I am. This is awesome. We're doing something together at the same time. Thanks to David. Shout out to David. Comment below, David. All right, let's go. How this feels. Sorry ahead for the bounciness because this road is terrible. It's bouncy, so you'll see the camera shake a little bit. The steering is on sport, so it still has that tight steering feel. The downshifts are less aggressive because if you're on my custom mode or in sport mode, downshifts are quick and you can hear the engine you know, and the exhaust kind of make that sound. That guy with a big supercharger in his pickup truck, Trailblazer SS, customized engine, just showing me off right there. That's what you get when you're driving around in a Hellcat. Everybody wants to show you off. Let's take off from the stoplight. Interesting. Wow. I might start driving in this mode because, to tell you the truth, the shifting is actually better than the auto mode. That's something new. In the way it shifts. I don't know why it's called eco mode, because in auto mode, obviously there's the most comfortable setting supposedly. There's a little bit of lag in the way it shifts, which I don't like. And the exhaust is a little bit different. Yeah, because the exhaust on the eco mode, on the auto mode, it's kind of quiet. This time it's not. You can hear it. And it shifts a little bit quicker than auto. Huh. Curious. Really curious. I'm gonna go back to auto just to compare. I'm just gonna go back to auto. Wow. This is strange. Okay. I'm gonna go back on auto. I'm gonna keep their transmission on. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn off the eco. We're back on auto mode. Let's see how this feels. Quite interesting. Huh. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. There's that lagginess in the transmission with an auto, which was not on eco. And I think you can only put it on eco if you're in auto mode. And the exhaust is a little bit quieter. Even the shifts are quieter. Exhaust is quieter on auto, and the shift's a little bit laggy. That's why I don't drive in auto. And I'm gonna put it back on eco. Shifts right away. Huh. Wow. This blows my mind, guys. Like I said, this is the first time that I have used this drive mode, and from the little time I've been using it, I like it so much better than auto, because the exhaust is a little bit louder, and there's no lagginess in the shifting of the transmission. So I think the computer is trying to be efficient because it's eco. And would I get better fuel economy? I don't know, because you know, I have to drive this in this mode for a little bit longer to really find out I'm you know, my MPGs are getting better. But I'll tell you that on the next video, because I'll have to drive this maybe 30 minutes to see if my MPGs improve. But as far as I can tell from the seat of my pants right here right now, I like the eco mode better than the auto mode. Thanks, David. But obviously, if I want to drive aggressive, I'm still going to use the custom mode. But if you're asking me right now how it feels to drive the auto mode versus the auto in eco mode, I like the eco mode better. So that's what we answered today. Thank you for David for making that comment. If you guys have any questions, comment below. We'll learn something new today. If not for him, I would not have known how to get the eco mode. And if not for him, I would not have known that I would like the eco mode better than just regular auto mode. And if this allows me to increase my MPGs a little bit more when I don't feel like driving aggressively, then this works perfectly, right? So that's what we have for today. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up, share and subscribe. That will help the channel a lot. And I will see you on the next one. All right, take care.